You ever look in the mirror after a workout and feel like nothing's changing? Same arms, same lines. No matter how hard you train, it's like your body refuses to grow. I've been there. Every curl, every pump, every ounce of effort felt wasted. And it's not that I wasn't working hard, it's that I was working blind. Today, I'm going to show you why your arms aren't growing and what finally made mine explode, even though I used to be one of those so-called hard gainers. Stay with me. This isn't another do these 3 exercises video. This is the truth nobody told you. Most guys think the reason they're small is because they're not training enough. They think the answer is more reps, more volume, more supplements, more pain. But here's the reality. The reason you're not growing is because you're never giving your muscles a reason to adapt. You're chasing the feeling of training hard instead of chasing progressive overload. I used to hit the gym 6 days a week. My arms were sore every single time. But soreness isn't growth, it's just damage. Growth happens in recovery, when your body says, I need to rebuild stronger because that last session nearly broke me. If every workout feels the same, your body has no reason to change. It's like trying to shock someone with the same story every day. They stop reacting. One night, I was scrolling through photos of my old self, and I realized something painful. I'd been training for almost 2 years, and I looked exactly the same. All that time, all that effort, gone. And that's when I learned something no influencer ever told me. The gym doesn't reward effort, it rewards adaptation. At gainers like us, we burn calories faster than we can store them. That's not a curse, it's a gift, if you learn how to use it. Listen, if your compound lifts aren't going up, your arms won't grow. You could do curls all day, but if your pressing strength and pulling strength are stuck, the muscle fibers in your arms have no reason to adapt. Growth starts from the core chain. Your triceps grow when your pressing power grows. Your biceps grow when your back gets stronger. That's the part most guys miss. They're busy chasing the pump, not the progression. You have to think of the arm as a reflection of your total strength output. If you can't move heavyweight through space with control, your arm isolation work is decoration, not construction. Another hidden key, arm frequency beats arm volume. Instead of killing them once a week with 20 sets, hit them twice a week with half the volume, but double the intent. Shorter sessions, sharper contractions, better recovery. That's how hypertrophy works for hard gainers. We need frequency of signal, not just fatigue. And bro, you gotta stop training your arms when you're already drained. Most people hit arms after chest or back. That's a mistake. You're giving your weakest muscle group your weakest energy. Flip the order. Train them fresh. Give your arms the same priority you'd give your chest. When I started doing that, when I stopped adding arms to my workout and started building arms like a project, everything changed. So yeah, it's not about doing more. It's about doing smarter, cleaner, earlier, and with purpose. You stop training your arms like accessories and you start training them like weapons.
Feel the burn, push through the pain, own everyone, in the soul, mind is locked up. Heart beats like thunder, unleashed, can't be stopped. Go harder.
That's how you do it. So, as you see all those exercises, it's only what you need. You don't need any other exercise, right? That's all what you need. That's what I've been doing for years now. You don't need to be here changing exercise every 2 seconds. No, stick to the basic. Do them well. Increase the weight. Feel the muscles. That's all you need. That's all you basically need. And changing exercise every two gym days, it's hurting your progress. Stick to the basic. Do them well. Eat and rest.
You don't need more exercises. You need a strategy built for your biology. One, train smarter, not longer. 6 to 8 focus sets for biceps, 6 to 8 for triceps, twice a week. That's it. 2, use movements that command growth. Weighted pull-ups, dips, close grip bench press. These are the movements that built arms before Instagram existed. 3, eat like your life depends on it. Not random junk. Controlled calorie surplus, 300 to 400 above maintenance. Protein in every meal. 4, recover like it's your job. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. Limit caffeine after 3 p.m. Never skip rest days, because that's when your arms actually grow. There's something most people don't understand about muscle growth. It's not about the exercise itself. It's about the signal you send. Every rep is a message to your body. This load is too heavy for the current version of me. And your body answers, all right, then I'll build a stronger one. But if your message never changes, if your load, your tempo, your focus never evolve, your body stops listening. That's why I stopped training for the pump and started training for performance metrics. I tracked everything: reps, rest, load, sleep, calories. Within 4 weeks, I started seeing veins I'd never seen before. Within 8 weeks, I filled my sleeves. The transformation wasn't magic, it was measurement. People think building muscle is physical. It's not. It's emotional. Every rep is you proving something to yourself, that you're capable of more than your past. Every meal, every early night, every rep under the bar, it's a vote for the person you want to become. The weights don't care who you are, what you've been through, or how many times you failed. They only care if you show up and if you get better. That's why I built this system, the Hardgainer Blueprint, because I was tired of watching guys give up thinking their genetics were broken. You're not broken. You're just missing the right blueprint. So here's my challenge for you. For the next 12 weeks, stop chasing the pump. Chase progress. Stop copying random workouts. Master your own data. Stop hoping for change. Build it. And if you want a shortcut, a plan that tells you exactly how to train, eat, and recover, the same one I used to finally grow, check the link below for the Hardgainer Mass Blueprint. You don't need luck. You need structure. You need consistency. You need belief. Because when all three align, you stop training your arms and you start forging a body that commands respect.